How to create Facebook Shops ad on Canva app fast and easy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Facebook ad shop fast and easy. So all what you have to do, go to Canva like this, wait a few seconds until it take you to the home page right here. Now you should go here down and click on this and search for Facebook like this. Wait a few seconds and it will give you the uh, Facebook ad shop. Click on it like this and wait a few seconds. It will give you the template right here. Now choose any template here and edit it as you want, like this one, and click on it. Now click on the text. You can change it as you want. As you can see, you can change also this one. You can change anything. Also you can change the place of the text, change the photo if you want, just from here by clicking replace. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.